Hello, my name's Elian West and I am playing Glinda and Aunt N. I am so excited. I've either worked with them last year on Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, or I've worked with some people in other productions, and then some brand new people. So all of those aspects makes me super, super excited to work with everyone. I think in my kind of non-performing life, I teach and I have my own academy. So I think particularly, well, kind of Glinda and Aunt Em are both nurturing, and they tend to be teaching all the time. So whether that's Dorothy or whether that's the Munchkins or something. So I think I do relate to them in that way, definitely. I certainly think with Glinda, where there's either someone like Kristen Chenoweth, who originated the role in Wicked, or obviously we've had Ariana Grande recently. And I think what we can do in this version is bring like that Welsh joy to it, and that Welsh lightness, and that bubble, quite literally, to Glinda, yeah. I definitely think the Emerald City. I don't think there's anything quite like, well, you see it through Dorothy's eyes. The audience see the Emerald City for the first time as Dorothy sees it. So I think it's quite a spectacle, and it's beautiful, and it's glittery, and it's, yeah, magical. I think it's the perfect way to spend a summer in Aberystwyth, and certainly an evening or an afternoon, just watching this family show that every single person, whether you remember the film coming out, whether you are fond of Wicked with that release, everyone's got something they can relate to in this show for sure. The word I'd use is empathy. I think everyone has a care within them to each other.